Let's talk about a secret ingredient that can boost the health of your flock, improve feed efficiency, and cost you almost nothing. We are talking about charcoal. Many successful farmers have been using it for decades, but the science behind it is incredible. You don't need expensive supplements when this simple material can be a game changer. I am going to show you exactly why charcoal works, how to prepare it, and the critical dosage to keep your birds safe and healthy. Welcome to ChijaneAgritech, where we explore techniques and technologies in agriculture. If you're new to this channel, thank you for stopping by. Please like, share, and subscribe. The benefit of charcoal lies in its structure. When wood is burned without enough oxygen, it creates a material that is incredibly porous, like a tiny sponge. This high surface area is key because it allows the charcoal to act as a binder or adsorbent. Number 1, it is a natural detoxifier. Charcoal binds to toxins in the digestive tract, helping birds recover from mold feed or mild poisoning. It is especially useful after antibiotics treatment or feed contamination. Number 2, it can act as odor control. Sprinkling charcoal in bedding or litter absorbs ammonia and foul-like smells, keeping your poultry house fresh and reducing respiratory stress for your birds. Number 3, it helps to improve digestive and nutrient absorption. Charcoal helps regulate gut health, reduces diarrhea, and improves feed efficiency. Birds will absorb nutrients better and grow stronger. Number 4, it helps in disease prevention. By reducing harmful microbes and toxins, charcoal lowers the risk of infection and boosts immunity. It's a simple way to protect your flock naturally. Number 5, it is cost-effective and accessible. Charcoal is affordable, locally available, and easy to apply. It's a low-cost solution with high impact, especially for smallholder farmers. Now to preparation of charcoal for birds. Never use charcoal from timber that has been painted, varnished, or chemically treated because these chemicals are toxic to chickens. Make sure to use charcoal from natural hardwoods like oak or cedar, then grind to the right texture. Do not grind the charcoal into a fine black powder, except you would keep it far from your birds. Fine dust can be inhaled by the birds, causing respiratory problems or congestion. You want a coarse, sandy, or pebble-like texture. The charcoal should be crushable by your fingers, but not dusty. For dosage, remember that charcoal is a supplement, not a main feed ingredient. Too much can bind to essential vitamins and minerals, causing deficiencies. Start with mixing the charcoal at about 1% of the total feed volume. Let me give you a pro tip method. Instead of adding it daily, some farmers feed a higher dose of up to 2.5% for 1 week every month. This pulse method is excellent for detoxification without risking long-term nutrient binding. You can also offer the coarse charcoal in a separate container, allowing the birds to peck at it when they feel the need by instinct. Using charcoal is a simple, cost-effective way to give your poultry a huge advantage in health and feed efficiency. It is a natural detoxifier that is accessible to every farmer, big or small. If you are already using charcoal on your farm, let us know your experience in the comments below. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.